Yeah, yeah. Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfields. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, she say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. See that little boy named Chucky, feeling fresh and breathing outward. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drums, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, pastor boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now I'm going for your church boss, not Both you a check for me sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system and twister. But you are part of the system what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, oh, candy.
1 minute, please. 1 minute, please.
Yeah.
You can please pull off this off of my hand for me, please. Good morning. Sorry about my manners. Just take it off, yeah. Yeah, man, take off that one. Thanks, here.
Yay! Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, baby, let's go. Oops. Oh, you're dirty. You're dirty. You're dirty.
Big boy. Where on you do?
Me a beard.
Beard. No, your body no wet yet. You run here in a pan, they play with duck and chuck and all kind of sitting. You hear that, boy? Look how long me send you around here for beard.
Yeah, beard me care first, mommy.
God, you can't take it. Come, stand up. Take up your rag for me. You think me have time to waste? Stand up, man. Be a trouble you give. You brush your teeth already?
No.
What cost that? What cost if you... This you come like the way your body big, you come like me not put no body wash on it sitting. Put on, give me a toothbrush. Then you look how long you're there around here, waste time. When I don't brush your teeth, me not no time to waste. Hold up your neck and a ramp with me. Neck big like a fish someone have. Turn round! Cause you're a big old boy like you, me have to come bathe you.
water cold, you know, mommy.
More wash brush and scotch brush.
Mommy, water cold.
That's why you're not bed. Round at the plane and water but water cold. Can your fingernail them? I just, you know what, go 2 days ago or 1 day ago make up them. Look how they dirty, nasty, you know I love playing in dirt. Big old boy like you think you wash your penis. You go wash yourself, because you look girl already. Oh. And soak up all the face, make soap bunny in your hair, too big and lazy. Clean out in your ears hole.
Hello.
Hello, what's going on?
No, so me there here lean up on piece of board.
Piece of board?
Yeah.
Oh, my name is Henry. And I'm a U.S. citizen. And I get your number from somebody say you're a person that do special service, special massages.
Yeah, man.
How much for 2 weeks? Because I'm in Jamaica for 2 weeks. How much for 2 weeks worth of massage?
Give me 12 grand.
Alright. I'm staying at the beach at a hotel. I will text you the information. I was gonna drive for you. Where do you live?
Right on April.
Alright, so what I think I'm working out. I'm gonna give you in US though. I'm gonna give you like 200 US. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll get back to you. So I wish you could carry a friend with you. You have no friend that could come with you for this vacation and give me the massage. I like 2 of you to massage me day and night.
Yeah, man, me have my daughter.
No, I don't. Hey, I don't play. How much old is the daughter?
13.
Hello, my name is what I say my name is, and I don't play with kids. You have to bring somebody over 20. Right?
Yeah, man.
I don't play with the minors.
But nothing now go wrong if me bring my daughter.
Do you want the job or not?
Yes.
If you want the job, you do what I say. I don't play with kids. I want somebody over 20. You have no friends over 20?
Yes.
Alright, give me your friends over 20 and I'll give her 200. I'll give you 200 to the $400. You know what I mean? So I'll send my driver to come and pick you up. You pick up your friend and you come to the hotel and you come to massage me.
Alright.
Okay?
No, yeah, man, no problem.
When you come, you get your money.
Okay.
Right? Alright, so what is your name again?
Diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. I like that name. Diamond, come and shine for me, okay?
Alright.
Alright, see you later, sweetie.
Thanks.
See you later.
So if it's bunny in your ear,
Mommy, yeah, burn me, mommy.
hold up your arm, because you see you, when me send you fi come bed. Ah! So you fi crowd it, so nasty. Go on in the iPad.
Can't see, mommy.
Lift up your foot, you must see blind. Put over your foot in a dirty big old foot, you bust out the bad. Hold up your foot, give me, because I now wash your penis. Stand up, you're too idle. Give me your foot. You know, finish bed. Hurry up and wait for you. I now wash your penis. Right. So you're a big boy, you start give yourself properly.
Hello.
You sure what one?
Girl, I know say you me dusty I go call like you read my mind.
Mr. Girl, with the funny road one night last night I get no money.
Girls, me just get one phone call a while ago say me must bring 2 of my friends them on the beach. We are going to do one massaging work.
I'm like really right now, we are going to pack up my bag.
Yeah, then go give it 2 each. $200 US each.
I'm alright with that, man. I'm alright with that. So when we are going down there?
No.
No.
Yeah.
We are going to pack up my bag right now. Which mama for me, the girl?
Meet me down at my yard and me and wait for you. Hurry up.
Alright, we are coming right now.
Alright, later.
Yeah, alright.
10, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. Alright, I'm gonna mark that, I'm soon come back. What about that? Yo, come on, fight! Come on, fight! Come on, fight! Down on your market. Come on, come on! Come on! Blackboard, come on, mister! Right in front of me, eye. Right in front of me, eye. That's what you never left it. That pick up and thing and fight.
Hello? You can't keep your data today?
No, sir, we keep it up there. I'm a busy man.
Well, me have to go up on the road.
Up on the road, so what you doing? You're not doing that. You keep the damn child and bring the child with you. You're talking about.
Me can't bring the baby with me.
Listen to me, she's a big girl. She bring her anywhere you're going. Anywhere you're going, you bring her with you.
Alright, me make somebody else keep her.
Alright, I'm busy. Don't call me them time of money. You know that, man?
Whatever.
Candy! Candy! I can't turn off your yard.
Candy,
Hello?
me dey ask if you can stay with my daughter. Me not go stay long.
Yeah, me can stay with her now, but how long you are going to stay where you are go?
5 hours.
You sure say a 5 hour?
Yeah, man.
Make sure, you know, because me have things to take care of. Remember, say me have big boy to take care of, see where me have to go cook and do all kind of something. She can come, but make sure say a 5 hour. Not go over the 5 hour.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, which part she there? She already on her way or what? Okay, alright. Make she come. Yeah, man. Alright, cool.
Yeah, man.
I want that.
When free at work. You alright, sir?
Good morning.
But when me tell your papa make them trim you, you can't keen you like your girl. Eh? You're a young boy, there if you trim a long time, you can chat long time. If you can't chat, they can't trim you. When me say you're a child, that's about grow a year. You have to trim. I don't know what I want. Yo, turn Rasta then. You put up, him now move right, you know. Either you're a Rasta or you're a rascal. You can't have your hair plait up and twine up.
Mommy, you bring back something for me? I want a sweetie.
Put your finger in your mouth. You chat too much.
Mommy, how long you going to take to come back?
More left you down a Candy and make sure say you behave yourself. What you want me bring back for you?
Dolly and sweetie.
Any man ask you how much, tell them you're 13.
But mommy, me a 10.
And me and your mother. Listen what me say.
If you tell them say me a 13 or 14.
Tell them you're 13.
Alright.
And make sure you behave yourself. Me so come back.
How long you take to come back? Because last year you tell me 2 days.
You chat too much with your finger in your mouth.
Mommy, you see me next hat, mommy? You see me next hat?
Make that your dirty frownsy hat where you're now washing your bin, what?
Mommy, you know, see my favorite hat that day.
Your favorite hat, everything are your favorite. Chuck favorite, bag favorite, hat favorite, who else favorite?
Mommy, I can go for Chucky go play, mommy. Please, mommy.
Big boy, you see you walk about and get trouble and always they put me in a problem.
Walk and hurry up one. Stop. You put it to them in your breast. Make sure, you know. And don't play it big boy.
What make?
Big boy a little picnic, don't play with him. If a little careless man then see you out there and touch you up, no man now go want you.
Yes, mommy.
Me have one rich man for you. And one man me I got to and come back. Just tell Candy say I spend 5 hours and come back.
Alright.
So don't tell Candy my business. You hear me say?
So if you tell her say a 5 hour me I stay down there.
Yes, but me and you know say no 5 hours. I
Yes,
want
mommy.
little man me I got to and come back. And if no man they look at you and say I want money.
Yes,
You hear
mommy.
me say?
Yeah.
Go on.
Bye, mommy. Hello, sir.
Who's that here?
Hello. How your name?
How much?
13.
13. Yeah, so you look for me and suck a finger for her. Suck you want something off? Eh? No, take a finger to your mouth. What you say now? What you want?
What your name?
What is that to you? How old are you?
13.
You're a child. No ask me that. You ask me how old for what? What? What do you?
They get $200 now?
Hello. You know what? Go on where you go. Listen me. It's when I say big people, you don't work with them. You know me?
No.
So how you come beg me money? Where my name?
Me no member.
Go on where you go. You can't set me up.
They get $200 now? Sir.
Master.
Well, go on. Yo, you know that girl there?
I want to kill this girl around this daughter.
Hello. Don't follow back at me. Hear me? Don't follow back at me.
Give me $200 now.
For what? Me know you?
You don't have to know me.
No, you're a child of beg man money.
Little girl, go and buy your business.
Stop with the people.
Left your man and go and buy your business.
Sir, give me $200 now. I want
Why?
to buy something to eat.
Hungry? No, nothing to say. You want sugar cane? It's a cane here.
Me not eat cane.
Rough. You know money? Give me 200 and I can go on. Look a girl. Make this be the last time. Make this be the last time. Me tell her one thing. Me have a daughter. She saw, but you look like you grew up too fast. Don't beg man money. If you see, better beg a woman a money than beg a man a money. Because money take advantage of you, right?
Mama, that's a lot wrong with it.
Hello, see 100 here? Go and buy some at shop and eat.
$200 I want. This can't buy nothing.
Take your money and go.
You have to pick that kick you down. Go on here, go. I'll give him back. Give him back to the ones. Oh boy, now hold ya.
So Rasta,
Go on.
there, you know so they set me up other day.
Eh.
Me I walk on the road and one policeman see me and say, freeze, don't move.
Mommy, remember say ugly police lock up Chucky father, mommy.
The man get locked up. Where you don't know, don't talk about it. Him runway gone. Running runway. You no get no lock up. You chat too much. I trouble you want come put me in. Watch you. I bleed your foot, I bleed.
No, mom.
Make sure your foot not cut enough. Because I'm tired of you put me in trouble.
Me not stay long over there, mom.
Go on and come back. And nobody stay long.
Me see take off my bag and take out. But me not even know say what is in my bag. Me don't know where reaching there. Like they set me up. Right.
Oh, but you come out now though? What you come out?
I somebody baby man.
Oh.
Me say in a prison me sleep last night in a prison or jail. One of them I don't know.
But you like it though?
Like it. Me say place.
But I see how you're tough. Me know say jailhouse you belongs to. You laugh. But differently from that though. Me up on the last lap with the plum up by tree. You don't want nothing to buy.
Me check you later.
Because me look smart. Because you know say a hustle line. Me say hustle on the road. Me say my time here walk on the grill. Picture for there walk with some plum. Me see big boy them take on the road and then sell out. Me see myself what day. When me go out when me there hotel. Me realize they come to mind. Me don't want to make some plum juice but candy kind of lazy. I'm saying I really want to move towards that business there. And we can't force black people to go to business.
Auntie Candy.
Hello.
Evening.
Good evening. Come now. You can come. Start your one. Where you just do? Where you do your finger? Yeah, how much you roll? Just suck your dirty finger, you catch germs out of your fingernail. Take out your hand. Come, sit down. You don't feel the suck finger. Sit down right here, son.
Mommy, you some say there, mommy?
No, stand up. You're not, wait, hold on there. You don't just say I go over Chucky.
Mommy, me no walk about, mommy. You know say me no walk about, mommy. Me no go road, mommy. Me a behave myself now.
You behave yourself and you know what about.
Me no bother want go over Chucky, mommy.
I don't understand. How what happened?
But I want go.
So, but you feel heavy like a more than 5. How are you? You come to see. What a little bag.
I can't pay that one. Mommy, what's your name, mommy?
See her right there, so ask her what is her name.
What your name?
My name Kira.
Kira?
Big boy,
Yes, mommy?
one over Chucky.
Mommy, me no bother want go over Chucky, mommy.
You know better one go over there? One in the house go find something. Go wash up your plate them.
Mommy, you play there and wash up already.
Who wash up your plate them? Top tell you big and lazy now. Why you look on the woman picking suffer? Why you look on the little girl?
Are you real here?
Yeah.
Go on in. You must investigate or question it. Go on in. What? Go on. Somebody you must see a look. Go on in.
We have to just do what you have to do. So me figure say if me sell you some of the plum, you could walk on the road and sell some. You the cock crow there, that means a sign, a true thing. You could sell you some if you don't really have the money and now you trust some and go sell it. So what them say about you know, then go back a court.
Yeah man, me figure I quote is 7.
So you tap me for now, that you can't tell me.
You know, so that's something I beg you to.
How with me? Something man come here, you can beg me something. Beg you something. Depend on me. After I come here in the morning, I can tell about sell plum. You tell me you want beg me something. What you want beg me?
Alright, give me plum then let me go do it. Give me plum. But I still can't give me 5 days then.
For what?
I want to buy something to eat too.
Why can you do what cutie do? Eh? Why you don't do what cutie do? Eh?
You know, some minute in there
In them sitting the door. Right now, a cutie alone, I am an O. So, when I pass back, if I find no change on the road, me lend you 5 business. When you done work and you sell, you get back my 5 business to me. Yeah. You know what I mean? And if you move a certain way, they will set you up. Or maybe you are do the things them for sure.
No.
What then lock you up for?
No coke, they say they find in my bag.
Coca-Cola?
Coke. They say they find in my bag. I don't know how you reach in there.
So them test it and find out say a coke?
I don't know if they test it, they all say they come and say they let me go.
You think you say them bail you? Them bail you or them let you go?
They say them bail me if you go on,
Who say them bail you?
Man, the policeman just come to me and say go on home. So me assume say I must bail me get.
Alright, well.
What are the no take up your book. So, your man had already tell me say when you come down here. So take out your finger now, you don't eat nothing up your head before you come down here. You hungry?
No.
So
I'm gonna pack one bag and go.
Mommy, you see my shirt? You see my other shirt, mommy?
Big boy.
Yes, mommy.
What me tell you so when you see 2 persons talk?
Sorry, mommy. Mommy, you see my shirt?
The whole of your shop them dirty because you're nasty and I don't wash them. You get big now, go learn to wash your clothes them. But you come out here, so you think me don't know where you're up to? Me know where you're up to. Oh, little girl, you come like I say you're a big boy, I same thing, you know, you talk me and talking and you there no bother with it. You must have manners. What kind of? Have manners, man. Me talk to you. Take out the finger. Where you see your mother gone?
She pack bag and gone, so if I come stay with you.
Yes, she tell me, but she not tell you where she go.
No.
She say 5 hours, and the bag where you carry come. Look like you come to live.
She said I for pack my bag for some days.
Days? Hold your bag. Go on in the house.
I go on the road. If I find anything I can't think, come give you. And then check me by later. You can climb.
No, sir.
Very rough though, because all of the rest of plum them, the up in the tree top. If you can find a man to climb for you, you can climb and pick. I don't want nobody fling them a stone from a tree. Alright? So me have a talk.
Yeah, man.
How are you going now, ma? How are you go? Good morning. Where you going? Good morning. Good morning. Morning. What going on, young miss? Where mummy there? You over there asleep? Where can I sleep?
Tired.
Oh, you work at night? You mean work at night? You don't know she work at night, her dear? Oh. You how much now? 15. Alright, I'm gonna check her. Oh, she don't wake up yet. What time she wake up?
Well, go on. From morning, me notice say you kind of look worried. So where you worry yourself over? No worry yourself, man. I just smile at me first cousin, you know. Me talk to him, so everything take care of. So you don't have to worry yourself. Me only did just want to teach you a lesson. So the only thing you have to do now is just pay your rent, and me you will live good.
So what you mean by you did just want to teach me a lesson? I don't understand.
Because you chat too much. That's the problem. So that's why we did want to teach you a lesson. So everything good now.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure about that because I talk to him. I make you know says a lesson I want to teach you. So that take care of.
No problem, I go up on the road now.
So alright then. Take care, me see you when you come in later.
Yeah, me make you get you ready.
Alright then, alright.
Come here.
What going on?
More you go down a shop and tell the shop lady if it say Shaka man if it trust him want cranberry water.
Cranberry water?
Yeah.
What me look for?
Yeah.
So where you chop now?
So if you get this money, I have to some plum no come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this are 5 pennies, so that's a 10.
Alright.
Alright, so that means for that, you have about 15,000 plum you want.
Alright.
Alright, just go tell him, say. Go tell him, say.
Alright.
Make somebody come pick them. Here, cut in the wheel pipe top, some fat one.
Stop here.
Alright. Well, go on, girl. No, me just attack. I change so fast.
You know, say me no big me no 2 weeks catch me a rub and or something so. You know, say me
So you are rubbing a beard? You're nasty though, but alright.
Nasty. You want to catch a little colour.
You want to catch a colour? If I tell you what to put on, you have a golden shower yet? One wash with a golden shower. A new gel in a golden shower.
Respect.
Yeah, man. What am I going to do with you do? What am I going to do with you do?
Alright, we see you again.
Alright.
Like that. I say handbroke, boy.
Man, the boss head with the stone.
Boy, it's a lie. I say handbroke. A fool you take my mother for?
Your mother a fool already.
You take my mother for fool? I mean my mother a fool already.
The boss head.
Yo. We're not ramping on the road, yo.
Come boy.
Big boy. Look at the man.
Boy, I tell lie from my mother.
Yo, cut that, the man. Cut that. Yo, give my dad come. Big boy. Give my dad come. Yo, put down the food. Plan shoes. I want to do. You can't behave yourself. Yo, see son hot. Yo, don't say son hot. Put on the stone, little boy. Put on the stone, my son. Black boy. I want to have now.
Watch me this stone and you have to tell my mother something.
Alright, put on the stone. Put on the stone and be able to say. You go son, you go son. You want now? The son hot, you know.
Him first. Him. No way.
Yo, Mr. John, you go on the yard and be able to sell, man.
Box man, go box head again.
My friends, you're not getting none of them. First find you.
Alright, I'm tell you.
Tell your mother, hey boy. Remember say I'm not broke, you know. I'm going to tell my mother say I'm not broke.
Alright, I'm going to tell you first. You
better not tell, you better not
tell.
tell. My friends, you better not tell. One here. One here. For chat now. Serve! Serve!
Big boy.
Where you come?
You know, say more than 1,000 you find. You take up.
Boy, I want $1,000 me fine. What you tell me say?
Let me
I mean,
see.
you can't share.
Let me see.
No. Go on over your yard. Hey boy, I have to tell mommy say your mother a thief or you know. You say for chat?
Alright, I go tell my mother I'm in a business.
Alright. Watch for me.
Yeah, I just get the missed call, man. I try to call back and I get the phone. Yeah, man. I know that the baby want things. I just couple days will come back from hotel, you know. Yeah, man. You know, so you come on the right time. Somebody just buy 15. Listen, man. Somebody just buy 15 dozen plum. You know what I mean? So them to come pick you, but we don't get the money already from them. So what I do, you know? I go try find one bike taxi, send the money come give you. Or try to buy something for your baby eat. Right? And buy some groceries for you. You know, I have the money here, man. Yo, I'll call her back. No, this is not real. I'm soon call her back. Soon call her back. Now when I send no bike taxi coming on, I'm soon call her back. Candy! Send them. Walk one! Candy! Where big boy there?
Big boy, what's your run about?
Call him there. Because me I come the road a while ago. The city man he look how broken one and as broke. The man black. I call him black here. Store them and because of them, I blow down because I run from Payz and come down back. Yeah. But there some money that take up in this year, but through them up on the road I fight now and me try to park them and I start sweat. I take the money out, I take the currency out of my back pocket. Wipe on my face today, the member say I put the money in it. Right? No member. Hello. Alright, come out, come man, come further. On the left. There's a lane right there, man. Yeah, after you pass the second gas station, you continue drive. You have a good look 3 to 4 to 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So just come until you see cash shop. After you pass the second gas station, you continue drive until you see. Just continue drive. Till you see cash shop. You're there on the left hand side. You have to come on 2 corner or 3 corner. But you go sit on it. Alright. Yeah. Somebody a come for the money, you know. Somebody a come for the money. The money will last a while ago. And me, black boy and big boy, they same place. I think that does the money last.
What will you say with big boy?
Black boy. Black boy, them a fight and a wrestle. You understand? So they say, one take a stone, flip down the next one and back a difference.
The same little boy went hand broke.
Yes.
And he said big boy push him down.
Said boy, you told them out there. A tussle. So now me a part the fight, I go so and I go so. Right? When me I go so now it's like me start sweat. Because you know, so even this time me I sweat. I'm talking about this. So it look like a same time. The money drop. So the money drop be part, them have walk gone. Me just feel that I just get the money.
So the money missing.
When we go to
that means one of them take up it.
I'm not saying one of them take it up. But we don't want no one who pass pan with the same time. If them not see it, somebody else see it. I gone. I go back I see them spot me not see it. No weapon on the road.
I hope no big boy take you up, you know. Because me not give no money to spend.
Me not accuse him. But me say, me see him on the road, I told him I fight. We never there 5 months, every courage on pocket. So I say, me I try to see him when he connect on a big stone. Okay. And you understand? Yeah. So that's the problem. So big boy, me a search enough ask if you see when the money drop or you see nobody.
You know say a little pitney them and if they find me, maybe then we all say I know them when I them. But me go make sure say me ask big boy if I him take you up. If I him take you up and me tell him say not trouble people things, you know.
Well, what me go do? Me not pass no judgment. But go over yard one more time. Go search and clean up say brain work. Now go to search yard again one more time, looking at grass, I'm going to plum tree or nothing. And then we go check black boy and ask him the same question. But 2 minutes go to either near or something, I go back up here, go check and then come back.
Alright, but me not like judge the little pitney, you know, so me go ask big boy for him. And me not like pick up for pitney neither, so me make sure say me question him and make sure say I know him because me not teach my pitney for thief, you know, if a big boy take it, God Almighty when me hold him. Oh, because if he find he's supposed to ask you if I feel or anybody. If I feed them, you're not supposed to take people things. That's something they do, you know. Someone that come contaminate with the factor, you know.
Black boy! Come here! Hurry up, boy! Rasta walk and look for money and come check mommy over here. I say if he come, don't tell him say I mean, you know.
See, you should give me one no tight.
Tap it nice, no? Tap it nice. Don't tell him say I mean. You hear me tell her?
Alright.
Don't tell him say I
mean. Go on way up.
In times like these, you never see a kid who plays with toys. Oh, big boy.
Big boy, get up. Get up, me have something to ask you. Get up.
I'm hungry now, mommy.
Where you come from?
Alright, so over there, so
where?
Over Chucky, mommy.
You never lay up the road?
No.
Up a fire, yeah, we come tree there.
Me not go for fire yard, mommy. Alright, I shop there so me did there, mommy.
Listen to me now. You and black boy. Which part you now come from? Wanna be there?
Mommy, alright there up by shop there so me did there and black boy did there and
so you're not see Rastafari fire me the chat. You
know see the pass about in business, mommy.
And you no hold no conversation, you no talk to no tall.
No.
Listen to me now. Fire come down on me yard. Right? And he tell me say you and black boy. You don't know which part of the sign say.
Mommy, I let him tell mommy.
And he may talk to him about something another and some money drop from him because he must win the sweat and he take out the kerchief. So he never say you. And he never say a black boy.
Me not thief no money, mom.
Listen to me. The man never say you. He just come to me. Because he want me to find out.
Mommy, look.
Listen to me. He come to me and they explain to me about the money. Oh, he lost. He just want to know if I have. So guess what? Take off your bag.
Mommy.
Take off your bag. Let me see in my hat.
Make me bags.
Take off everything. I want to know if you have it. I just want to make sure say I know you have it. He never say you. Me just want to prove this I know you either.
I know me have it, mommy.
Take off everything. Everything. Because someone who too little and lie and thief and not talk truth. Me not say you know. Me just want to make sure it says it's not you. Me need to search your bag.
Mommy, you know so.
That's short. How for your bag to come out so what? Take off your damn bag. Take off your bag. Take off your bag. Me tell you to take off your bag.
Mommy, no money in my bag.
So why you don't want me go in the bag? Let me see in your pocket because that bag they have to search today. What is that? How about this? What you have in your pocket? Everything you see you pick up. You're too nasty. Here you are. You thought somewhat now. You're turn big man. You're turn big man. Turn round. Turn round.
Mommy,
turn round. No money no in there. Let me see in your bag.
Mommy, not in my bag, mommy.
No one see it still. I just want to make sure I know your teeth.
Mommy, I like Rasta man I tell for me, mommy.
He never say you. He might ask me if me see you with any money down here. Because I know me not give no money. I never see with no money. I thief man money. Let me
mommy, I have a cutie yard where I see Rasta come from, mommy.
I'm not business with him, I'm a big man. I'm go where I go. Well, me not see you with it, but make sure I know you. Make sure you not take away Rasta money, you know. Because I have to go find him back. Every minute you put me in a trouble. Big boy, are you take up your man money?
Mommy, me not take up now, mommy. I'm not want. Make him not tell like mommy.
He not tell no lie for you. He want to know if you take you up.
I know me, mommy.
Well, me not see you with it. But that no means that me say I know you, you know.
Mommy, me your son, mommy. You know say me not thief nobody.
Listen what me say. Me not see you with it. But that don't mean say I know you. Me have to sure say I know you. Me search and not see you with it. Me not know if I you. Me not see when you come back me and me do me tell me say me not see you with no money.
Tell me I full of people that tell like for me. Me not thief no.
So me I tell like for you. Me did say you. Let me and papi sure. But you have like I can give you this. Hold on. So you good. And me think I always see me pick up on road watching me and you. Come me smell your mouth. You in the smoke?
No, mommy.
Come here, man. You're lucky. If me did smell nothing for you, I'd find out today.
I'm fine, mommy.
So you take up your bag for? Give me it. Where are
the kitchen?
Which kitchen? Go and go your business. Me tell you if you look on me pot, you burn up your go and put in a kitchen. Trouble it, another. Come back and take you up because you're a big man. Let me look up the road let me see black boy because if the black boy take up the people their money and make nobody go say are you. Let me go in the house. Because me have my pot pan for you. I'm alright. No go and no say I know you.
Candy, me not find you, you know. Me not find you, but me soon check your back. Soon check your back. Black boy!
Rasta.
Come here there, boy.
Walk on.
When you know fight a while ago. By the time I wipe my face, money drop out of me. Kerchief on the road. Did you see money drop on the road, big boy?
You know, sister, man, the man.
Oh, you smile, so.
Me a smile?
Big boy, and you a fight. Because of that, me have fought the fight till me start sweat. Take out the kerchief, the money drop. Me know so I just say money drop because I just get the money done so. Fold it up and put it in my pocket so. All the time I take out the out of right done so I take it back out of my pocket.
Oh, you ever put money in a kerchief?
We're not about that.
You can't put money in a kerchief.
We're not about that. We're talking about did you see the money?
No, I never see no money.
Alright. Remember say no, if you're a thief, if you somebody money drop I don't give it back to them, you're a thief, you know. Are you a thief?
No, sir.
Long as you're not a thief, I don't accuse you. But right now, so there's a reward for the money, you know. There's a reward for the money. If anybody find back that $10,000, I'm give them 100,000. Think about it. Anybody have links to find back the money there because the money of my daughter eat food today. Anybody find the money back, find the 10,000, I give them 100,000.
Alright, you know what I go do?
100,000.
Buy black key, me I go work.
So if you can, no, just any magic can work, you pay me the money, I get 100,000. Alright.
100/000.
Alright.
The blood of Jesus. How can a vice know this? You beat me here. Juliet, you see when I get that voice messenger, me need you to come to me and talk to me about your picnic. You understand me? Because you tell me say 5 hours she stay down here and she tell me say you say stay a few days. Me not understand you. As soon as I get that message here, me need to talk to you. I no can't do there something there. You know, I don't know long talk in the left now, if a long message, you know. As soon as I get that message, I get to me. I hate that. Kira, come here. So some people now want to meet people pick me. Where your mother there? I don't understand. So she thinks that she tricked me and send me on my yard. Actually, you're a girl child, I'm never keep you down here. Okay, if you're a boy, I send you back up on your yard because I'll stay up there.
You like that truck here? You like it? My mother must up here.
You see your mother? Me and her forgot.
Mommy, you know something I love you, mommy? I love you. You know something
Get up off my bag, get up off my bag. Get up.
You know something I love you, mommy?
Big boy. What you say though?
I love you, mommy.
You how much, big boy? You how much?
You're 10, mommy. Mommy, I went on my birthday, mommy.
Listen to me. From your band.
Yeah.
Turn around. Stop looking at people and pick me. From your band and start have sense. Too much time you tell me say you love me.
Me tell you enough time, mommy.
You can't recall. Get up. Get up, man. Get up. Get up. You're too enough. You come right in the middle. One inside, how much time you tell yourself to stay in the house. But find something though. I just look for the people and pick me. You think you come breathe and put me in no trouble. Go on in.
Yes, sir. How can I help you, sir? Yo, come in. You know some deal offering down a church. But see a plum here, pick your 5 tree. Then plant a seed and make it grow. So I plant that, hope that I have pray that I have many more plum tree so I can earn a living off of it. You know what I mean?
Okay, sir.
Do road. You good though?
Yes, sir.
You know, before you turn pastor, you know. You're serious?
Yeah.
So, how the business?
Well, the business is going on quite well, you know.
So where did the big vehicle?
Well, I have it at home, you know. Park up, you know.
So you feel like you want to walk, you know?
Right, I feel like I want to do a little walk foot, you know.
Alright, Pastor, I give you one plum. Wolf say, you see, bless the tree. That means they can many more.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because the one plum tree, it came through river and water. It put a roof on my head.
You got thanks and praise.
And sometimes I put her 2 girls on my bed. You take care of my daughter. I said, I'm going to give she and her mother up because she did. Sometimes she come down here, she wear clothes all tight, nappy. If the tree is small, so it'll be here until now. So pray that the tree longer.
Okay,
right.
sir, I will do that, sir.
Alright, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bonita. Alright, pa.
Hey, you must come to church one of these Sundays, you know.
Hey!
I'm looking forward to see you, sir.
Yeah, but if I come to church, who go watch the plum tree? Think about that.
Well, don't watch the plum tree, you know. Don't watch thief. You understand?
What must I do about thief?
You can't do anything about them, sir. You can't even stop them from thieving the thing. You understand? Remember the tree must bear one day.
Thief. They cannot thief even there. You know, see, I'm in farm, I know. I have something here, you see. Make a thief go up on the tree. Anytime the tree done beer, I come to church, sir. When the tree done beer and they blossom, I come to church.
I'm looking forward to seeing you, sir.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. I have plenty more.
Don't tell me that you're coming in, sir, and I don't see you.
Yeah, we did it, man.
Looking forward to see you, sir.
Alright, Pastor. Alright, Pastor.
So give thanks, sir.
Alright, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. I see someone come in with favor here, run here right now. Go on your thing, man. And the black one down there, favor you? Alright. Alright.
I'm late. Hope they don't fire me. Rough.
Hello, Officer Smiley.
What's up, sir?
How you doing, sir?
Alright, today I'm just trying to go get myself, ready to go and work,
Tell me something. What do you go to church, sir?
Me?
A long time I don't see you at church, and I need to see you.
You don't worry about me coming to church. Me alright. You know what I mean? Me have my little church up a station and we have, keep a lot of things. So you don't worry about that. You take time to keep on.
So what kind of church is that, sir?
Church?
May I ask you, sir?
Well, that the church there, is for condemn the wicked. So you go and secure your church down there, so me have to secure my church up here, sir. You know what I mean?
Sir.
Because you know things set already. So take your time and go on.
May God bless you, sir. Give thanks and praise, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Cutie!
Yes, who that?
It's the pastor here, you know.
Yeah, come there. Good evening, Pastor.
Good evening, ma'am. How you doing, ma'am?
I'm alright, you know.
Well, I'm down here now to tell you about the daughter. She's doing well, you know, quite well, you know.
Alright, Pastor. I say a word. But I say you take care of everything good. I believe that cause. But when I send the food, come give me now, I know I still eat. Because Cutie up there, I'm the one. So I take time ping pong funny. I give thanks. So anyways, you know I'm not for buy.
Well, don't say, I have little cutie up there already. Yeah.
So you look how cute up there now and offer me for buy.
Yeah, that's easy, you know.
So I do go?
Well, I'm just taking a walk, you know. Go back to the church. What I'm doing now.
Alright, later.
So what do you go up to now?
No, just know something I can look for Cutie tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. I'm looking forward to see you. You know, to come look for her, as you say. Yeah.
Alright, when I come my lobster, me want.
Alright, get it easy. Wagwan.
Good day.
What you doing?
Good.
I come to talk to you about your daughter, you know.
What about my daughter?
Well, your daughter is nice, you know. Yeah, she's very nice.
How you know my daughter?
Well, I'm the pastor up by cops.
So what you do by cops?
Well, I pray for the girls, you know.
You pray for the girls them?
Yeah.
You just pray for them and you do nothing else?
I'm not getting enough time with them in the room.
So what amount of time do you want with the girls them in a... What you mean? You want one single girl in a room with you, or you go talk to all of the girls them in one room and they don't give you no time?
Individually, you know.
Really?
Individually.
Okay, so what you talk to them about?
Well, I teach them right from wrong and how to obey.
Okay, that not sound bad.
You need to go back for your daughter, you know, and spend some time.
You know, so I plan to go fair.
You can stay closer to my house.
I not trust no man with my daughter.
I'm a holy man. I want to show the way to the cross.
You want to show my daughter the way to the cross?
Yes.
Because you're holy. Alright, listen me now. You see my daughter? I don't like him around some man, especially some my pastor them, because I don't trust some pastor. You understand? So if you're holy, you go keep your holiness to yourself. Me already talked to my daughter. She said she behave herself and me go for her. Me no need you for school, my daughter. Remember me did carry my son come to you and you talk to my son?
I don't deal with boys, I deal with only girls.
So you say, you're certified?
Yes.
You have a certificate?
Yes.
Me will teach my daughter. Me will counsel her.
Oh, you have such a nice daughter. I'm a man coming in upon her.
You see, you're not no good pastor. I judge me wrongfully. Me would have my daughter. And see man come in here to her and allow the man to go in there. You're mad.
I heard that man was under the bed.
Me understand, because one already there. But my daughter now come up a field yard. Me will school my daughter. Me no want you teach my daughter nothing. That is okay.
No, you need to come to the church. I don't believe in me.
Me no want believe in you. Me believe in a God. Me no believe in a man. And if I you fi school my daughter, no bother. Thanks, but no.
I've known you from your child. I know all the things you used to do.
So because you know me from me a child, and you know everything what me used to do, me fi allow my daughter to come stay with you.
Yes, I know what's good for her.
It not go work, sorry.
Groomer.
Groomer. Sorry.
Yeah.
You better where your wife there?
She's overseas.
You better call her and breed her and give her a daughter, because you're not going to get my daughter up a fair yard.
I have a couple girls up there already.
You have a couple girls up your yard?
Already, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And you want one more up there? You're not going to
Yes.
get one. Go look for next month daughter, but you're not going to get for my daughter.
You're lovely ladies.
Stay with them. You don't want no more. X out for me one out there. If you need more, as what you say, go look from somebody else's yard, not mine.
You know what, you're a bitter woman though.
Very bitter.
You want something to sweeten you up?
You have any sugar?
Up a yard.
Make me come up there instead of my daughter.
You come.
Come on. You want to show me up here? Yeah. Go on, me a come. Pastor, me come up there, go on, later. Right, and I dash water from it.
Serve me that place. One drink of white rum there. Nana boom in there. Boom, this and boom.
Boy! Come here. Come here.
I can't find any ganja. Boss, can't find any weed.
Thank you, Sister Lavlet. See you in church on Sunday.
Hello.
What's your pastor?
Sister Shuckleberry, how come I don't see your church?
Pastor, you know, say I want to look upon me there now. Because I want to build my own house. I want to come out and rent house now.
Upon that woman, I go run with the money.
Not like that, Pastor. A long time I do partner with the woman, they say.
But you come to church and come pay like 1122.
I want to build up my own house. So I can have my own house. I don't want to live in no rental. So that's why I save up the money. Every little money when I get, I save it and throw my palace so I can build my house. A full time enough for me to rent house now, man.
Just collect your money and come pay the tithe, man. God is going to bless you with that house.
Pastor, they say God help who help themselves. So I help myself while God help me. So when I save my money, God will help me in another way so I can build my house. It's alright, Pastor. I see you again. I go on a runner now.
Alright. So it's the evening, man.
Good safari now.
Okay.
How are you?
Well, I'm fine. Giving God thanks.
That's good, good, yeah.
Okay.
So, where are you going now?
Well, I'm just coming from right up there, so I'm just going that way now. Okay. Or like you heading to the shop.
Yeah.
And she have a bag in her house. Okay. Oh, so she's a daughter, right?
Yes, and that's my grandson.
Okay. Nice, lovely, huh? Yeah. The daughter, we were begging her, you know, to come and join us, but she refused. I don't know.
Yeah, she don't like the
crowd, and maybe,
like
well, you know what my thinking is? Maybe she don't want anybody to see her and see that she's on show.
No, not really. She just don't like the spotlight.
Okay. Okay, man. So everything is alright though?
Yeah, man, everything is good. You know, and giving God thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right, that's right. Yeah, so I'm on my way going back down the side. So you may have a good evening.
Yeah, have a good evening. And
may God bless.
Yeah, man, and thank you for that.
Okay,
yeah.
welcome.
Yeah.
So we want to sit here then.
What? You talking to me?
Your face look very familiar, you know. Very, very familiar. You come from down here, sir?
No.
No?
Why?
There's a lot of things I would want to say to you, but you know, maybe, you know, if you want to, you know, get acquainted. I don't know. I'm a police, you know. I'm an officer for a while now. My name is Officer Smiley.
Officer who?
Smiley.
Okay, so what you want?
I just to know you. You know, I have 2 pieces of bone, I can give one. You know.
Give me one.
No, if you want share.
Officer, me did stop you. Me look like me hungry to you. Your face say true. Who get that suit there? Tell your boss say that no look good and it no fit you. If you find another uniform you are you gonna look an extra. Who you give on me? If you tell her who you figure get that dry bone there. I mean I talk to. A matter of fact, me no want you. Hey, what happened?
I'll call your phone.
Call your phone so what? Your face say true you have gun and you're in a police suit. Me have to talk to you.
Oh yourself.
Don't worry myself.
What that thing I go on, eh?
What that thing? Me no want nothing from you. Right.
Young man, what's the problem?
My father give me link. Right through and through.
So, what your face happen when lick you?
Not knowing that take out the anger every time me human and give him but him beat me from all him a beat me. All of them in cars and they hang up on me and beat me.
You look like I want bad little brat but
No, officer me that behaving child me I learn. I go to school sometimes he made me officer and beat me and brutalize me.
Alright, I understand because me here say a lot of trouble has been happening on this lane from this big boy. You know one boy named Big Boy?
No, me don't know nobody named Big Boy.
Okay. Come here, understand say around this lane here now. I'm way around here so for check one lady but where's happened to you now?
My father beat me.
He beat you?
I want Rasta man and him down they go lock him up now you have all gun. What? Yes, gun
right.
down there.
Steer sir.
Yes,
Go me. Which part? Which part?
No, that's right, I shot.
Which shop? One blue shop? Come show which part you talk about. You have gun?
Yes, my bad man, you have gun.
What is that now?
One officer, we are the night force. Your friend.
Where you say? Him, right at the shop?
Right at the shop. Give me a gun, I'm going to shoot him.
No, I can't do that. Hey, step away. Go stay, sir. Stay, sir. Don't worry yourself.
Shoot him, no make it talk.
Stop it, nice.
Shoot.
I am an officer. Not a bad man. Alright, work on one today.
Charge into the FHO. And I'm cut back up. No. More promotion.
Freeze! Can I freeze that talk? You can freeze this, bro. Where are they with?
Are we there, born running for
Tell us something there from me, man.
Take with something for you.
Hold up your head here!
What take with something for you?
Well, I'm gonna be out there. Where you come to me for? Where you come to me for with that? Where you point from for that?
You have the right to shut your mouth.
What me do? Where you point that from?
Don't worry what you do. Then we talk to you down, sir. My name is Officer Smiley. That's all you need to know. Out that.
This you lock me up for?
No, sir, no worry about that.
This you lock me up for?
No, sir. Go on
have no evidence. No evidence. What one now?
Turn around.
Turn around. Where you at about? Where are you?
You know, hello.
If you lock me up, just make me walk better.
Walk where?
Where are you?
You want to walk? Alright, walk then, Rasta.
Let me walk then, brother, man. Let me walk, man.
So where you go? Where you go? Where you
lock me up?
Where me say what me lock you for? Don't say that. Rasta man, you walk. Where me say walk? Walk away. I'll take a run,
Big boy. See big boy. Big boy. I'm not telling me up and go party last night, man.
Don't tell her like Mommy, see man, I tell her for me, Mommy.
Come go. Look boy, you lie, man.
Don't tell her like for me picnic.
Candy. You come bail me down, sir.
Don't call me name.
Bail. Don't bail him.
Bail.
Wait.
You figure say your son can't tell me everything what you do to him. You boy. You. After you beat the picnic so
I'm not telling me up and go party. I'm not come back drunk.
Look here, Chucky tell me all the way you do to him. You beat him, you kick him, you left him and go look for the man. If you lock you up and me I look for come bail, you can never get bail, you could have sleep in there forever. The way you're wicked to you, little boy. Me could never want you, you're wicked now and they can't tell like my son. What about your business? My son did that slave. Walk up, me not understand it.
One officer!
Officer, come here, I want to talk to you. You know, say, hey, that man there one wicked man, you know. Line they tell for my son, you know, big boy they sleep all night unless I dream me a dream.
Sir, in me, Chucky.
Shut up your mouth and manners, move. You know, say a lie, I tell? Big boy I sleep all night. So big boy and Chucky no go on a party. A line they tell Panny Pitney. Into lie. But this a policeman, I look tired, man. You hear what me I say?
Are you must see what I would have?
Officer, may I talk to you about my son and that man's son. Okay. Me no want to talk about, you see me out the road out the sun. Me I tell you say I lie the man I tell him that beat him, Pitney, kill him. God save him in life, make him not dead. The amount of liquor boy tell me saying lick him.
True, sir.
Is this true?
He left him whole time and gone and not give them nothing for it.
Remember now, I'm the police, I'm the officer. You have to speak the truth.
Listen to me.
Officer. You gone far now, man run gone, you know. Now me have to go call headquarters for them call and start out the place.
Listen to me now, yeah, listen to me. You want to hear the story?
Yeah, hear you.
He left him pitney them every day and gone and no come back till when. And me, the little boy come to the smaller one, come to wish they down here so early in the morning.
That is the boy they call Chucky.
Chucky brother.
Chucky
just listen what me I say.
Alright.
He gone and left them and no give them nothing to eat. And me a fi give little boy money, fi go buy bag juice and bulla. Every day and go left them. I know one good father. I don't know if he take it pitney them from him and send them go family school because and look on him to both him account look me. And a matter of fact, where you just send say for me you see out the road?
Oh yourself man, we go start. Because me will come back.
We are talk about it, see out the road. Where you when they say officer?
Don't worry about that. Me that
okay, alright, make it stay.
Alright then. We talk one next day about that something.
But no lock him up into wicked. I know one good father.
Alright.
Lock him up.
Take care of
come go in the yard, cause see them a tell like pan you how you go a party and me sure say Chucky and big boy no go on a party the night when him dirty poopa tell like pan the pitney them.
So I told him live, right?
And my son, and me and him live. A big boy name, you don't know him, you go like you don't know him.
No worries sir, me have to take statements one by two. Alright.
Big boy asleep all night. So if Chucky got party, is not big boy and Chucky got no party. Me don't want nobody tell no lie for me pitney.
Alright, let the officer deal with the situation.
Get up, cause you're too
let
lazy.
the officer
Come
deal with the
take up the
situation.
clothes them and file line.
Go easy,
Take them up. Take up the clothes them, man. You see rain soon come down.
We're gonna sort it out properly, alright? As I said, my name is Officer Smiley and I will see you again, alright? Because I'm gonna have to find out some more information.
You better get it because they little pitney they up there so they not get no care. They not have no care and protection and them are dead for hungry. That man they are taking money, chow. But look here, you need to take care and pitney them. Watch out, how wrong with you? See if I'm big and lazy and just and say nearly push me down. Take up the clothes them and file line.
Paradise nation which I don't fit.
Tell me what I'm saying.
Oh, big boy, playing with your drugs tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, baby. She say, one thing she say, the bills are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. See that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, when we start checking on the lead. Hey, pastor boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now I'm
why you feel fatty? How are you laugh? I laugh, you laugh. You see you look innocent. Give me a
you a check for me sister.
You see you look kind of better. Here from our. Let me take it for you. Oh, put your finger.
But you are part of the system, what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away.
Who pitney will love beg them? You beg man money. When you beg man money, what man give you?
You know. big boy.
You don't want to tell you. Listen to me.
Gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trust tonight.